Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see Capricorn, what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, what are the messages for you and what's going on. Wow. Seven of Pentacles. Maybe you are waiting for someone to come back. There is some type of waiting is going. Maybe you are undergoing some waiting. You are waiting for your person to come back. Maybe you are waiting for to commitment. Maybe you are waiting for marriage. Maybe you are investing a lot in some businesses, your money, and waiting for the result. You are feeling stuck also and waiting. You are stuck on waiting. Capricorn. So let's see your reading recent past, the Fool, the Lovers and Four of Wands. Yeah, someone was approached you for new beginning with you. There is love between both of you because the Lovers with Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames also. And the Fool. Definitely there is someone approached you new beginning. For some new beginnings was already started. Maybe you both are started communicating with each other in past. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. And present the Sun, Ace of Wands and the Devil. But there is something dark energy in this connection. Maybe there are some children involved in this connection. Maybe one person is married but one person is not. There is some type of third party situation involved in this connection. For some, your person is obsessed with you. They're thinking about you a lot. Maybe they are very dominative. There is something is negative in this connection. But there is a lot of passion, they're obsessed with you and there is a lot of passion between both of you. A new start is started again between both of you, but there is some type of obsession and the Sun with the Fool card. But you are going with the flow, you are living in the present moment. Yeah. And future, Eight of Wands, King of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. I think two persons coming towards you. I think this could be your new person, King of Pentacles. This person want to marry you, want to offer stability to this connection, and there will be lots of communication coming towards you back and forth. And I think this person, it could be your past person, Knight of Pentacles. I think they're obsessed with you. I think in two persons, one person is obsessed with you. Definitely, I think one person is toxic for you. But one person is very healthy. Definitely they want to offer stability, but I think you have to decide which person is. One person is toxic and one person is ready to offer commitment. It could be a past, it could be a new, depends on your situation. For some I am seeing two persons. Maybe if you have only one person, maybe your person is toxic for you. In near future they will change, depends on your situation. But I am seeing two persons, one is new and another person is past. But there will be lots of communication coming towards you. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. The Fool, yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. The person you are thinking about, they want new beginnings with you. I think for some it could be you, Knight of Pentacles. You more concentrating on your career, creating more money options, creating more money. But your person coming back with, I think, with the Devil energy to Knight of Pentacles. Maybe they raised some transformation. Your person undergoing, they are changing for you. So let's see their Queen of Pentacles, their current feelings towards you, Capricorn. Two of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, There is lot of drama going. Page of Wands. Yeah, communication, you will receive some message from your person, and I think your person is also concentrating on their career right now. Your person may be juggling, they have to make some decision, and there is a lot of drama going between you and your person because your person is toxic. Definitely the devil energy. Maybe they are very dominative, they are non-committal to you, that's why there is still they are juggling. Your person may be career oriented person, but someone is coming towards you, a new person. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Your person near future actions towards you. I think I'm not seeing any action from your current person who is thinking about you. Definitely your current person, 7 of Swords. Definitely your person is sneaky. Maybe they hurt you in past. Still they are playing games with you, maybe mind games. 10 of Wands, your person is busy with their work, with their family. And 9 of Pentacles, they are very busy. They are very busy with their career. They're listening to their higher self. Maybe they're trusting their intuition. Definitely I'm not seeing any action towards you, to be honest, but I expect some communication. I think some new person is coming into entering in your life. With they really want to offer stability. Maybe you're not seeing them, but someone is coming towards you. I think your first person is very sneaky. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Lot of earth and fire energy. They are career oriented, and Page of Cups, Knight of Cups. Maybe they will come for some, but it will take so much time. Because right now your person, King of Pentacles, they are career oriented, and the Moon, something is hiding. There's something hiding from you. There is a lot of things are mysterious in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. They are juggling. They have to make choice before coming towards you. But you are working on yourself. You are working on your growth, Capricorn. And the King of Wands, you stand by your power. And the Star, maybe you're seeing life in a very positive way. Without this person, you started moving on from this person. And 10 of Wands, because it feeling so much hard work for you. You only the person always invested in this connection. You are feeling also this way in this connection with this person. Yeah, you started moving on from this connection because it feels like you. Because your person is not taking any action. You don't see 5 of Wands, lot of drama is going between you and your person. They're only creating drama. They're only showing. Yeah, there is a lot of work to do in this connection, your person. Maybe you both are concentrating on your career. If they're coming back, they have to do a lot of work regarding this connection, King of Cups. So if they will come back, definitely they have to make this relationship to next level. But very few. Definitely there is a lot of work to do because 8 of Pentacles. If they will come back, definitely they have to do this work. You both have to do for some. And King of Cups, 3 of Cups, reconciliation. For some there will be, but very least chances right now. Maybe in future energy will be changed. Yeah, 7 of Cups, lot of options maybe one person have in this connection. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Capricorn. You both are maybe concentrating on your career right now. Yeah, your person is sneaky, playing games with you. They are hiding something from you. There is something mysterious. There is no commitment. Maybe in near future, definitely they will make a move. But it will take some time. Maybe for some, it could be a manipulation. Maybe they realized your worth once you are gone. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Yeah, they are not talking to you. Maybe they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. 3 of Wands, waiting mode. 6 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles. Yeah. Maybe after some time, once you are gone, they realize your worth. Definitely 6 of Pentacles with 3 of Pentacles. They really want to offer equal give and take. They know You only the person always invested in this connection, but after realize you both, they're ready to offer equal give and take, and they really want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you, but it will take some time. Some waiting period is here, so you have to be patient, and patience is the key, Capricorn. So let's see message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Yeah, because there is a lot of work to do here. You are good enough, Capricorn. You are good enough. And another deck, step out of your comfort zone. So if you are doing any work, step out of your comfort zone. This is the message from universe, and you are good enough, especially full moon in Virgo. If you are feeling that you are not good enough, that is not truth. Please love yourself unconditionally. You are good enough. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.